But no empire lasts forever. Over time, internal conflicts, regional rebellions, and constant wars weakened the Satavahanas. New powers began rising across India. By the 3rd century CE, the once great dynasty slowly disappeared from history. Their cities faded. Their power collapsed. And their story was buried beneath time. Even though many people rarely hear about them today, the Satavahanas changed Indian history forever. They united large parts of the Deccan, expanded global trade, protected Indian culture from foreign domination, and helped spread art, religion, and learning across the subcontinent. Their legacy still survives in ancient caves, coins, inscriptions, and ruins scattered across India. The Satavahana dynasty may be forgotten by many, but their story remains one of the most fascinating chapters of ancient history. Empires rise. Empires fall. But some leave echoes that never truly disappear. And the Satavahana are one of them.